Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So CPI did come in at 8.5%, which is absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous. We actually hit 420 pre-market on the S&P 500, and I think right now 430 is definitely guaranteed. We bounced off heavy from this minor trend here, and we are back in zone one, which is actually the zone that we ideally, you want to be in for the market to push up. But I think until next CPI, I think as of right now, we are definitely on trend. I think 430 is kind of guaranteed at this point, and I definitely would not be surprised if we see a 450 SPY within the next month or so, which is absolutely ridiculous because last time within a month and a half we actually rallied about 40 to 45 points, and I think that adding that onto today. I think that especially with a beat that much, right? We actually beat at 8.5%, 8.6, I think was where the CPI came in. I think that's actually a relatively high beat, which is actually pretty good and extremely bullish. So I would say 430 is actually guaranteed, and then I think we actually keep pushing towards 450. And again, this actually solidifies my bottom call back, I think, a couple of weeks ago on the Renko, on the Renko chart where we actually, did this, right? Essentially, we closed the Renko back on June 24th, and I basically called on July 27th, I called the bottom of the market. And I was like, you know what? We already hit bottom, and today just kind of solidifies that. I think we're headed to 420 right now. I think that's going to break pretty easily, and I think 430 and possibly 450 is going to be the next stop. I would not be surprised to see a 450 SPY within the next month and a half or so. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.